En este tutorial aprenderás cómo descargar e instalar el App Paramount Plus en Windows 11 y Windows 10. Primero abre la Microsoft Store para descargar Paramount Plus. En la barra de búsqueda escribe: haz clic a Paramount Plus. Haz clic a obtener aplicación Paramount Plus. Espera a que la app de Paramount Plus sea descargada e instalada. Presiona Siguiente. Ahora puedes abrir Paramount Plus. Si este tutorial te ayudó, no olvides dejar un me gusta y suscribirte.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the